Today we're going to bring a wall lantern. Now this one could go vertical, horizontal. We're actually going to set it up horizontal, right? So it could go either way. It has two LED lights on the end. There's three connections. So you got your hot, your neutral, and also your ground, all right? So you got to make sure that you have a lot of back holding in the back wall, because these are almost a pound each. They're very heavy. So, and they're fully glass, if you guys can see, fully glass. Beautiful. We're gonna set them up, and you can convert them in different colors. So right now we're gonna set one of them up, like I say, horizontal, not vertical. I'm gonna see how it looks, but you could go either or. They have different options. So we're gonna set one up and see how it looks. All right, we just mounted right now, and of course we got our switch here where we're gonna actually change it to. So let's go ahead and set it up and turn it on first without any glass. All right, so right here on the switch here, we're gonna change it to 1, 2. So that's 3 colors, right? That's the highest right there. 2 and 3. So we're gonna keep it to the highest, brightest, the daylight mode. Let's take a look at the actual light. Look at the ambience on the light. Beautiful, outstanding light. It's very large. I like it. But it fits very well in a kitchen, in a bathroom, most likely in a bathroom. So if you have a bathroom that you're setting up, you want to set up a new light, this might be the light for you. You could set up 2 of these side by side. Like I said, vertical, horizontal, however you want. All right, we're changing the color. As you see, that's one color, another color, another setting on the light. Then we go back to the main one, which I like. Outstanding, beautiful light.